Go.
Sit. Down. Dance. There.
Sit.
Spin. Spin. Come on.
Eli, stay.
Up. There. Up. Up. There. Now over. Over. Now sit. Paw. Paw. There. Other paw. There we go. Now let's go back. Back.
How about like leave it or something?
Huh?
Like leave it or something?
Sit. Leave it. Go get it. Okay, sit.
Eli, sit down. Stay.
Stay. Stay. Leave it. Okay, get it.
Okay, want to put her outside and you can...
Let's go outside,
No,
girl.
not you, Eli. You stay.
Come on, Kiki. Out. Come on. Come on, Kiki. Good girl. Come on. Time to get outside. Yes. Good girl. Eli. Watch out. Ready? Come here, boy. Sit. He doesn't even need voice commands for this. Huh? Sit. We need to tell Bella gets out of here. Come here, boy. Boy. Come here. Eli, come. Bella, can you sit down or something? He's not going to listen. Can you tell her to sit down or something?
Bella, honey, go play with Sophie.
Eli, treat. Sit. Ready? Eli, dance. Sit.
I can't see.
Oh, here. Should we can just... Okay, come here, boy. Ready? Come here. Sit. Stay. Dance. Sit.
Bella, I can tell that you're playing orphan.
Bang, bang.
With Sophie.
Bang, bang. Bang. Okay, up. Up. Ready? Sit.
Yeah, we're just about to wrap up the game.
Paw. Paw. Okay.
What?
Good.
No, not like.
Stay. Stay.
20 minutes? That's the shortest.
Leave it. Okay.
That's really short.
Good boy. Now, back. Back. Now come. Back. Ready? Up. You want to try again? Up. There we go. Ready? Turn.
There you go.
How about speak or something?